I'm gonna show you what I found out here in my 4x8 raised bed. Look at that thing. Looks like he's crawling upside down. These things are crazy. That's a giant grub worm. Yeah, he's traveling on his back. Ain't that weird? I guess that's his... Hey, I see a tomato plant. Look, I think that's a tomato seed or a tomato plant popped up. All right. The things you find. Look at that giant grub worm. I'll show you how big that worm is. I'm gonna put my hand out there. Where is he? Oh, there he is. My finger. Look at that thing. He's been eating good out here in my little raised bed area. Look at that. Ooh, you'd think he'd like that cucumber. It's huge. Look at that compared to my hand. Don't bite me. They actually got little pincers on the front there. But look at that. I discovered a tomato plant popping up right there. Didn't even know it. I was out here looking at the grub worm and finding all kinds of things. I'll end up... No, I'm gonna let that plant grow. Oh, look. Right here. Tomato plant. Tomato right there too. Popping up through there and right there. All right, I've got tomato seeds popping up. That's why it's always good to look. Oh no, my grub got away. Where'd he go? What? You know what? That grub worm done found him a hiding spot. That is crazy. Oh, there he is. There he is. Look at him up under there. All right. Don't want to squish him. That's good news. I got some tomato plants popped up out here. Now I'm searching. I'm looking closely to see what else I can find. That's good news because later on, as I add more dirt in here, I'll make sure to let those little tomato plants grow. So there's one there, another one popping up here. Oh, there we go. One there. This one's coming in from under there. Right there. Right there, little tomato plants. That grub's getting up under this stuff here. See him in there? He's underneath that. It's a strong little booger. Right, well. The things you discover in a compost pile can really be amazing. You end up putting all kinds of stuff in here, and then you end up discovering little critters, different types of bugs, like that grub. And then you find that you actually have your garden started with tomato plants, tomato seeds. I wonder what else I can find in here. Of course, I got these onions. Just gonna look around, see if I happen to see anything else sprouting. Because you never know what's going to sprout from what you put out here. I mean, we could put all kinds of stuff out here and just keep covering it up and covering it up. And you'd never discover that you got little tomatoes popping up already. It's actually wonderful. Those might end up being my best tomato plants this year. You never know. Okay, well, anyway, I just thought I'd show you that big old grub worm I found, and also discovered some tomato plants popping up. All right, talk to you later. Bye.